maybe you can make an announcement. But
Yeah, we went. Here are the sunglasses that were found in the bathroom. Do they look like your sunglasses? I'm trying to see through your eyes what the world must look like. No, I can't quite place who that might be. Anyway, I'll put them right over here. If you believe are these yours? Awesome.
there you go.
Well, problem solved. Thank you, sir. Oh, Angel disappeared.
There's no solo.
Did anyone actually see him, or was that just in my mind?
There's no solo in this song.
Was that?
There's no solo in this song.
What song is that?
Never seen the ring.
Oh yeah, it's true. There's no solo in the song. I think he's trying to tell me something. I need to turn up his monitor. I forgot to do that.
I can't hear.
I couldn't hear you either. Let's see here.
Check one. That's better.
Actually, I had not changed anything, by the way, when you said it was better.
That's better.
I hadn't changed a thing when you said it was better. I had not turned a knob yet, but I'll turn you up anyway. Whoa. All right, sorry about that.
That's better.
They like to pick on me, just so you know. This is, there's a little dysfunction here going on here where they just like to harass me, that I'm trying to take care of all this and then I'm not.
You got to remember, you're an engineer.
I'm an engineer, yeah, so.
You guys are always wrong.
I'm always wrong. I don't mind that.
And he's a doctor.
And I'm a doctor,
That's
and
actually a doctor deal right there.
I teach engineers. I'm in charge of the future. Are you frightened?
I'm waiting for you to get the prescription pad.
Yeah, it's not that kind of doctor, Larry. I'm trying to tell you.
Go back to school.
I need to go more school. I've been overeducated. I don't need any more education. I can't even do simple math anymore. Honestly, somebody asked me to add like 7 and 5 the other day. I got it wrong. So I don't even bother trying anymore.